Now, before I show you anything on screen, I want to ask you a quick question. How many of you bought an AI tool in the last 12 months, whether it's ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, maybe OpenClaw, any other AI tool, and it's still just sitting there? You open it, you played around, it never ever got you any real results or made you any money. Unfortunately, for most people, that is the scenario. The idea of AI sounds great, but unfortunately, they're never able to get anything out of it. There's a reason for that. We're going to talk about that in a minute. We're also going to help you solve that problem. So, we built Agentix AI agents, browser based, cloud hosted, one click to deploy. You don't need to install anything, you don't need to configure anything. You literally pick an agent, hit run, and watch it work. This is the Agentix dashboard. When you log in, this is what you're going to see. Now, on the left-hand side, you got your agent library. Every single one of these is pre-built, preloaded with the skills from our 535K income engine and ready to deploy in one click. No blank canvas, no guessing. You're cloning what already worked. The first step is choosing the kind of agent or workflow you want to run. You can select agents for things like email campaigns, sales copy, landing pages, blog content, social media posts, research, images, videos, scripts, affiliate promotions, and more. Choose from the library pre-built agents or even create your own from scratch to do anything that you need done. And you can even connect multiple agents together to create complete automated workflows. For this example, let's say I want to create a promotional campaign. Instead of writing every email myself, researching the offer manually, creating bonus ideas, designing assets, and building the campaign piece by piece, I can launch a workflow where multiple agents work together. One agent can analyze the sales page, another can write the email sequence, another can create supporting assets or bonus ideas, and another can help format or prepare the final campaign materials. That's the difference between using AI as a chatbot and using AI as an execution engine. From there, you're just going to enter your agent name for the chain that you've created, and it's going to show you all the different tasks it's going to run. You click Save Chain. And from there, you're going to be able to see all of your chains you've created and all of your agents. And so you just click on Run Chain. You're going to enter the additional information to make sure you're getting exactly the content and the results that you want. And once you've completed entering that information, you're going to click on Launch Chain. Once you hit Run, the agent begins executing in real time. This is where it becomes much more powerful than a normal AI chat. The agent can think through the task, take action, evaluate the result, adjust, and continue through the workflow instead of waiting for you to prompt it every step of the way. And here's the finished result. Instead of spending hours jumping between research, writing, design, and publishing tools, the agents produce the core assets for the campaign in one streamlined workflow. That means that you can move faster, reduce repetitive work, and focus more on strategy, offers, clients, and growth. So the big takeaway is this: Agentix AI Agents is designed to help you go from idea to execution faster. You choose the agent or create it from scratch. You give it the mission, you approve the tools and permissions, and you can even connect multiple agents together to create complete automated workflows. Then you hit run and let the workflow move forward. For entrepreneurs, marketers, creators, agencies, and business owners, this could help turn AI from something you chat with into something that actually helps you get work done. So you can see just that fast and easy, I was able to create a complete affiliate marketing campaign with done for you affiliate emails, a done for you landing page, bonus page generator, and in addition to that, e-cover mockups. So I have everything I need to be able to run a high profit, high commission affiliate campaign. And you can come right in here and you can actually search the agents and filter them by what you're trying to do. So if you want to be able to run ads, you can do create banner ads, you can do a lead magnet creator, Facebook ad copy, headline swipe files, retargeting ad packs, TikTok ads, Google ads, and anything and everything else you might need relative to running ads. If you want to do either a product launch and gain affiliates, or you want to be an affiliate marketer, you can write affiliate emails, do a JV recruitment page, launch calendar, bonus page, product review articles, affiliate resource pages, all of this stuff you can create automatically. If you want to do copywriting, you can write affiliate emails, create a sales page, a landing page, email sequences, VSL scripts, Facebook ads, funnel blueprints, webinar registration, headline swipe. You can do welcome email sequences, sales page audits, thank you and upsell pages, tripwire offers, testimonial requests. So anything and everything you would need from a digital marketing perspective. You can do this for email, you can do it for images, you can do it for pages and products, sales and scripts. And the brilliant thing is you get a commercial license, which means all of these things you can also do, and you can sell these. You can put gigs on Fiverr, and you can go ahead and offer these services. Competitor spy report. Imagine what somebody would pay, typically $500 to $1,500 for competitive analysis. You can run it automatically through Agentix AI, sell it on Fiverr, use this as an outsourced service. Somebody wants a welcome email sequence. If somebody wants Facebook ad copy, they want a sales page audit. All of these things you could do automatically, and you could sell and could pocket 100% of the profits. Advertorial articles, case study builders, win-back email sequences, about and story pages, media kits, professional bio packs, Amazon listing. So no matter what your clients or customers want or what services you want to offer, you can offer those and profit 100%. You can also use them all for yourself. There's no limit other than your imagination to the way that you can profit with Agentix AI. So let's say I want to create a sales page for a lead generation service. And this could be for me because I want to launch it myself. It could be for a client or somebody that I see online that's looking for a sales page, or it could be even for a lead generation service that I see that has a crappy sales page, and I say, you know what, I'm going to offer this to them as a service. What I can do is go in here and I can click on create a sales page, and then I'm just going to enter the information. Click launch, and then it's going to go ahead and create that in real time. We can see in the dashboard that creating the sales page, it's telling us what kind it is, and then it's telling us the status, how long it's been running, when it started, and then when this is done, it'll say completed. We'll be able to jump in there. Now we can go off and create other things in the meantime, but the value of this is you can create any individual thing. You can also come in and create chains of connected together tasks that run. You can see it built a complete sales page in literally seconds, perfectly formatted. All I would need to do if I wanted to make it even better is I could go back and I could create some e-cover images for the same thing. And if I did that, I can add those into the page to make it even more powerful. So if I wanted to, I could go back here and go to the product mockup pack, test run. Launch test run. And again, I don't have to input all the information. I'm going to let it choose the colors on its own, but I could have done that as well. This one will run, and then we'll see what it comes up with. When this one is completed, we can go ahead and take a look at what our product mockups look like. And so if we go ahead and click on that, you can see it makes gorgeous graphics that we're going to be able to use. Pop these directly into the sales page. Wanted to do that. We don't want to do that. That's okay too. But the great thing about it is you create literally anything and everything that you would need. And these are all things that if you were paying an outsourcer to do would cost you hundreds of dollars, and offer this as a service for somebody else, it's what they would pay, hundreds of dollars. And so you can see how you can start to build out entire marketing campaigns where you could create all of the assets that are needed for both yourself, for your own products, your own product launches, affiliate product launches, and promotions, in addition to resale. So you can flip this stuff, you can sell it as a service. So again, Agentix AI makes it that simple. You don't need any coding, you don't need any skills, you don't need any setup or to worry about any of those other things. It's already pre-programmed to be able to create the stuff that you need in order for you to be able to benefit.